Rightio then guys, hello there, welcome back to a new video. Now in today's video, I'm hopefully getting the Accord cleaned. It is flipping freezing outside, it's just been raining, it's just been snowing, and it's like the 31st of March, which is ridiculous. And yeah, hopefully I should be getting the car cleaned today, providing the person turns up. Because he was supposed to be here about 10 minutes ago and he's not here. And I've had to shuffle mine and my missus' car around. So I'm going to wait for a bit. If this video goes live, he turned up. If it don't, then, well, it's going to the bin.
So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
What a transformation this is. Look at this. I've never seen this car so clean. She is in splendid condition. Yeah, there's some age-related marks around it and stuff, but oh my god. The worst of the age-related marks being this mark here, but that's it. Wow. This thing is stupidly clean. Oh shit. Sorry about that, I had a bin rolling into the car, thankfully it didn't hit it. But yeah, look at how clean this thing is. It is ridiculous. Alright, look, let's open it up on the inside. It's just so clean. I've never had a car like professionally cleaned before, never. I mean, like even the boot, let's look at the boot. Look at that. Unbelievable. I love it. It looks good. And yeah. Let's get back in. It's just such a lovely place to be. This car is in incredible condition. I love it, and it smells good because of this air freshener. But yeah, I'm now going to get this car up for sale. I'm going to get some pictures done. The guys that did it are these. So there you go, there's the contact details. Really nice guy. He had a buddy that was helping him as well. Yeah, absolutely lovely guy. Honestly, I couldn't have asked for a better service from them, to be fair. It looks really good in here. So yeah, with that being said, I'm going to outro the video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.